Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about preventing laptop screen damage. Having your laptop screen repaired can be very costly and lengthy. Whether you are working at home or in the office, going to your favorite coffee shops, or even traveling, laptop screens are prone to cracking by simply being mobile. But there are ways to prevent the inevitable. Here are the 4 ways to prevent screen damage. 1. Get a laptop protection accessories. Find a laptop bag with padding at the bottom or a padded sleeve or case. This will protect your laptop when you are carrying it somewhere. Keyboard cover and screen protector also adds another safety layer. 2. Proper laptop handling. Do not leave your laptop by the screen. Always pick or hold the device from the base. 3. Be mindful of things near the laptop. Do not put dense objects on top of laptop screen. A heavy object can also fall and smash the screen. Don't put food or drinks near the device. Once the liquid spills to the computer, it can do much more damage to it than just the screen. 4. Close the lid properly. Before closing the lid, make sure there is nothing on the keyboard that may cause damage to the screen. Close the lid gently and hold from the middle of the screen. Let's take the simple precautions to avoid sending our laptop to repair shops. As they say, prevention is better than cure. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.